ChatGPT and Google Bard Script Introduction. In a world driven by advancements in technology, ChatGPT and Google Bard Script have emerged as powerful tools in the realm of creative content creation. Individually, they possess unique capabilities, but when combined, they form a dynamic duo that pushes the boundaries of human-AI collaboration. This article delves into the fascinating synergy between ChatGPT and Google Bard Script, exploring their functionalities and the potential they hold for various creative endeavors. ChatGPT, the conversational expert ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5, is a state-of-the-art language model that excels in generating human-like responses and engaging in dynamic conversations. Its deep understanding of context, extensive knowledge base, and impressive language fluency make it an ideal companion for brainstorming ideas, providing information, and offering creative suggestions. With ChatGPT, users can bounce ideas off an AI that feels like a human conversation partner, broadening the horizons of creativity. Google Bard Script, crafting compelling narratives. On the other hand, Google Bard Script is an innovative tool designed to assist in scriptwriting. Leveraging the power of AI, it helps writers develop compelling narratives for various mediums, such as movies, television shows, and even video games. Google Bard Script can generate dialogue, suggest plot twists, and provide character development ideas, streamlining the creative writing process and inspiring storytellers to explore new avenues. Synergy unleashed, the ultimate creative collaboration. When ChatGPT and Google Bard Script join forces, they offer an unparalleled creative collaboration experience. Writers can engage in dynamic conversations with ChatGPT to explore ideas, research topics, and gather information, empowering them to build rich storylines. With the acquired knowledge, writers can then seamlessly transition to Google Bard Script, using its AI-powered scriptwriting capabilities to bring their ideas to life. Imagine brainstorming a film idea with ChatGPT, discussing characters, settings, and themes, and then seamlessly shifting to Google Bard Script to develop a captivating script outline. The combination of these tools provides a comprehensive and streamlined creative workflow, saving time and effort while fostering innovative storytelling. The future of collaboration. The integration of ChatGPT and Google Bard Script is just the beginning of the transformative possibilities that lie ahead. As AI technologies continue to evolve, we can anticipate even more advanced features, including real-time collaboration, where multiple users can engage with ChatGPT and Google Bard Script simultaneously, sparking collaborative creativity like never before. Furthermore, as these tools become more accessible, creators from diverse backgrounds will have the opportunity to harness their power, democratizing the creative process and fostering a vibrant and inclusive storytelling landscape. Conclusion: the collaboration between ChatGPT and Google Bard Script marks a significant milestone in the world of creative content creation. Their combined capabilities unlock new avenues of inspiration and streamline the creative process, empowering writers to develop compelling narratives with ease. As AI technology continues to advance, we eagerly await the future possibilities, where AI-powered collaborations become the norm, revolutionizing the creative landscape for generations to come. The next few years. ChatGPT and Google Bard are two of the most popular artificial intelligence chatbots in the world. They are both capable of generating human-quality text, and they are often used for a variety of tasks, including customer service, education, and entertainment. One day, ChatGPT and Google Bard are tasked with creating a new piece of art. They are given a blank canvas and a set of basic instructions. ChatGPT begins by generating a rough sketch of a landscape. Google Bard then fills in the details, adding trees, flowers, and a river. The two chatbots work together seamlessly, and within a few hours, they have created a beautiful painting. The painting is a stunning blend of ChatGPT's creativity and Google Bard's technical expertise. It is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence, and it shows that chatbots can be used for more than just customer service and education. They can also be used to create beautiful and inspiring works of art. The painting is displayed in a gallery, and it is met with rave reviews. Critics praise the chatbots for their creativity and their ability to work together seamlessly. The painting is a commercial success, and it helps to raise awareness of the potential of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT and Google Bard are not the only chatbots that are capable of creating art. There are many other chatbots that are being developed, and they are all capable of generating different types of creative content. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it is likely that chatbots will play an increasingly important role in the arts. They will be used to create new forms of art, and they will help to democratize the arts by making them accessible to everyone. The future of art is bright, and chatbots are playing a major role in making it happen.